Hello, guys. Thanks for joining me today. Uh, Today, we are going to talk about AI-based applications and challenges that we face developing that application, right? Different industries have different challenges. I'm going to talk specifically about an application where we are going to develop a software, right, through the slides. So the general practice is where do you start, right? So the first thing that you want to do is defining business requirements. I think this is very important because when we think about software, we don't pay too much attention sometimes to this, but this is very important. And then defining the technical requirements. So the business requirements, in short, just has all the high-level things that we want to basically tackle. The end user experience, who is the end user? We need to understand that very deeply. What are the resource and time constraints that could be because of the company that you are working for or because of the end user, like the client requirements. The competitive advantage, like if you develop that application, what are the advantages that you might have? The risk management and cost effectiveness. When we talk about the technical requirements, it's mostly what the problem is, what kind of data are we dealing with, is it easily available, what is the input for the application, what are the constraints that we have, again, that's coinciding with the business requirement, the domain knowledge, all the data that all the information that we can gather, the experimentation and the scalability.